when I got it, it's no longer sealed because it came from overseas. And in order for me to know if this product is really effective, I made an experiment. Please watch this. Kita naman po natin doon sa experiment na ginawa ko, para pong nakukuryente kayo. Magugulat na lang po kayo na parang kinuryente kayo. Yun. Hi everyone, this is Glenda Ganzon and welcome to my channel. And for today's video, I'll be making a review about the personal air purifier that I bought. So please watch this video until the end because I'll be stating what's the importance about using this product, and I'll be telling you what I like and what I don't like about using this air purifier that I bought. Stay tuned! So here are the two personal air purifiers that I bought. I bought two. One is black and one is white. When I got it, it's no longer sealed because it came from overseas. Maybe binuksan na po ng custom. So, ito po yung black. It comes with this necklace. It's a metal. And also, it comes with a Type-C charger. And the other one is white. Here po. Actually, it has no brand name, but it says here in its box only personal air purifier. It also comes with an instruction and a warranty. So, nandito na po siya lahat yung instruction, what you need to know about this product, how to operate it, plus, meron po siyang warranty dito sa part na to. This is the warranty card. So, this thing here is the negative ion emitter. It has also a battery indicator. So, one click po, magpapakita yung battery indicator niya. Plus, this is the low and one click is the high negative ion emitter. So, one click po close, one click open, pero low po yung lumalabas. And another click po, magiging high na po yung lumalabas. So, ito po yung charger niya. It uses Type-C charger. And you just only plug it here, dito po sa bottom niya. Tapos, you can use a power bank to charge it. So, ito po. Nag-charge na siya. Kung wala naman po kayong power bank, you may use po yung head ng inyong charger. Tapos, ilalagay nyo lang po siya dito and plug it on sa electric po. So, you may use an electric or you may charge it with electric and or you may charge it using a power bank. And to use it, we only need to put it around our neck and turn the battery on. Ayun po. For me, I always use yung high. Ito. Dito po sa side na to, you can feel that it emits something. Para po siyang nagbubuga ng hangin. May mafe-feel ka po dito sa part na to. It is coming from the negative ion emitter. Yung hangin na yun. And in order for me to know if this product is really effective, I made an experiment. Please watch this. po natin doon sa experiment na ginawa ko, in mga less than 1 minute, nakikita nyo na nawawala po yung usok sa loob ng baso. At saka, in 2 minutes, medyo talagang wala na po yung usok. Unlike dun sa isang baso na nandoon pa, buong-buo pa yung usok doon. During the start of the pandemic, every time I watch President Duterte on TV, I always see him wearing a necklace like this. So I wonder, what does this necklace do? And then I tried to research for it and buy it. So what I found out that there are various of this kind of necklace, different brands, different amount of negative ions to be emitted by different brands. But I really look for affordable one, and at the same time, it is competitive with other branded air purifier. And what's good about this one, though it's not branded, it emits 120 million negative ions. So, ang claim po nito, nakakalinis po siya ng air around you for 1 meter radius. So, medyo yung 1 meter na ganon, around you, nalilinis po niya. Na-purify po niya yung air. But for some other branded, which is too far much expensive than this, na walang brand po, it only emits 20 million negative ion, and sobrang mahal po. So, I'll give you the price kung magkano yung mamahalin na yun. Yung branded po na yun, it's like 3,500. Unlike ito po, nung hindi siya nagsisale, it's only 1,500. So, take note po, no brand, medyo mas mura, but it emits 120 million negative ions. Yung branded, mas mahal, 3,500, and it emits only 20 million negative ions. So, what's the importance of using it? Guys, protection is better than cure. Mas magandang mag-invest po tayo ngayon sa mga bagay na mapoprotektahan tayo laban sa, ito nga, hindi ko pwedeng sabihin yung word na yon, sa sakit na yon, laban sa mga sakit na pwedeng dumapo sa atin, especially yung lumulutang lang sa hangin, yung mga pollutants po, especially if you are asthmatic, yun, pwedeng-pwede po ito sa inyo. Tapos, syempre, this time of pandemic, everybody doesn't care. Parang wala na itong pandemic na to. Parang back to normal na lahat. Mas mabuti po na protektahan natin yung sarili natin laban sa, yun nga po, sa sakit na yun. So, kung tatanungin nyo ako, kung i-rate ko ito from 1 to 10, nasa 8 po. Sa price po niya, mura lang po, pero talagang effective. Hindi po kayo manghihinayang sa ibabayad nyo dito. Isa pa po na nagustuhan ko dito, aside from effective, lightweight po siya. Tapos, next po, mura lang po siya. So, yung mga branded, makakabili na kayo ng ilang ganito. May ibibigay nyo sa members of the family. Maganda rin po siyang pangregalo. Pero yun nga lang po kasi, ang hindi ko nagustuhan po dito, una po, dadalawa lang yung color. Ang gusto ko sana, kung ano yung color ng damit ko, something that will go to my outfit, yung color ng outfit ko for the day, OOTD kumbaga. Tapos second po, since allergic po ako sa mga metals, nangangati po ako dito. So, ang ginagawa ko po, pinapahiran ko muna yung neck ko ng cream or ointment for allergy bago ko po isuot ito. At saka pagkakubad ko po, talagang red na din ang leeg ko. Tapos, isa pa po sa hindi ko nagustuhan dito, ito pong emitter niya ng negative ion. Para po siya, pag nagdikit po sa inyong balat, para pong nakukuryente kayo, magugulat na lang po kayo na parang kinoryente kayo, yun po yung mararamdaman nyo. But other than that, wala na po akong pinagustuhan dito. kung itatanong niyo po kung ilang oras ko china-charge, mga 2 oras lang po, fully charged na po siya. Tapos, kung ilang araw kong ginagamit ito, nagagamit ko po siya hanggang 5 days. Pero hindi po 24 hours a day ko ginagamit. Siguro maximum of 8 hours a day kung gagamitin ko siya. Tapos, tumatagal po siya ng 5 to 7 days. Yung pinakamatagal ko po na hindi chinarge to is 1 week. Pero hindi pare-pareho po kasi everyday yung paggamit ko. Kung minsan, 8 hours a day. Kung minsan, 4 hours. Kung minsan, yung bibili lang ako sa grocery, mga 2 hours. Yun lang po. So, all in all, kung hindi naman siya naka-on ng 24 hours a day, mga 1 week nyo po bago siya i-charge. And lastly po, nabili ko po ito nung nag-sale. 849 pesos po. So, from 1,500 na regular price niya, nung nag-sale, naging 849, kaya nakabili po ako ng 2. Kung meron pa po kayong katanungan tungkol sa product na ito, please write it in the comment box down below. Sasagutin ko po yun. Kung meron pa po akong nakalimutan na ilagay sa review ko, pakitanong nyo rin po, pakisulat nyo rin po sa comment section down below. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. And if you're still not subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing and also click the notification bell so that you'll be updated with my new videos. So, thank you so much for watching po. Until my next video, bye and God bless everyone.